Hi everyone. Today in this video we'll talk about Microsoft Excel Insert tab Illustrations group. In this we have 5 things: picture, clip art, shape, smart art and screenshot. First we are starting with picture. What is the use of this? Picture will help you to insert any picture, whether it is clicked with your mobile or it is downloaded from internet or any wallpaper in your MS Excel sheet. How we can do it? We have to click on this. Here you will get this type of dialog box. Mine pictures are saved in this E drive, that's why it is opened. But if you don't get the pictures, you have to search in your desktop from here, whether it is saved in your D drive or C drive or wherever. First of all, you have to open that location. Then you have to select the picture. Suppose I am selecting this one. Then you have to click on this insert. Or you can simply double click on this picture also. Okay. As you do this, you will get your picture here. Now you can move your picture like this. As we insert any picture, we will get format tab here. Now what is the use of this format tab? This tab will help you to do the changes in these photos, whatever you have inserted. Most important is this one. If you want to apply any border around your picture, you can select any border from here like this. Okay, then suppose I have inserted this border. If you want to change the color of this border, you can do it from here. You can apply any color like this. Then you can apply the effects like shadow, reflection and all these. Picture layout you can change from here like this. Then if you want to make the changes in the corrections, means if you want to change a little bit color, you can do it from here, look, like this. If you want to change the color, you can do it from here like this. So if you want to rotate it, you can do it from here like this. Okay. Then if you want to crop the picture, you can crop it by moving this. Look, the picture is cropped. So this format painter will help you to make the changes in your picture. Now if you want to delete this picture, simply press the delete key from your keyboard and the picture will be deleted. Okay. Next one is clip art. Now picture and clip art, they both are used to insert pictures. But by using this feature, you can insert any type of picture downloaded from net or from your camera or whatever. But in clip art, you can only insert the picture that are provided to you by Microsoft. Or if you want to download any new picture, you have to go to Microsoft's official website from here. Look, find more at office.com. So first of all, we will search how much pictures are there in our computer. Simply you have to keep this search bar blank and then you have to click on this go. As you do this, here you will get different pictures. You can scroll it like this. Okay. Now suppose I want this ambulance. I have to just click on this and this picture will be inserted. This is your picture. Again, if I want to insert this, look. Again, if you insert any of the clip art also, you will get this format tab, and by using this you can make the changes like borders and whatever you want. Now if you want to delete the clip arts, simple, select your picture and press the delete key. Select the picture and press the delete key. Okay. Next one is shapes. Now here you have different types of shapes. Suppose you want to make any arrow, so you can select it from here. Look, we have different varieties of arrows here. And you can draw it by pressing the left mouse click and drag your mouse according to the size you need and then leave the left click. So your shape will be inserted. Now again, if you want to change the color of the shape, again format tab will help you and from here you can apply any. Okay. You can apply color from here also like this. You can apply the texture like this. You can apply the gradients from here. Okay, then next one is Smart Art. I'm deleting this one. Smart Art, we have some diagrams here in which we can write text also. Suppose you want to make any triangle in which you can type text also, so you can go here, pyramid. Here you can see different varieties are there. You can search any of your choice. I'm selecting this one and OK. Now here you will get this type of pyramid. You can type the text here, suppose A, B, C. By using this design, now in this we have two tabs extra, that is design and format. By using the design you can change the colors and if you want to add the shapes in this, you can click on this. Look, A, B, C. Now here D. Then you can move like this. Okay. Format again will help you to change the colors and shape fill. From here also you can apply any color of your choice like this. Last one is screenshot. Now what is the use of screenshot? Screenshot will help you to take the picture of your currently opened background. Background means your desktop screen here. So steps are, you have to click on this, then you have to click on this screen clipping. As you do this, your MS Excel will minimize automatically, then your screen will turn to this blur shape. Now press the mouse left click and drag your mouse like this. Select the area of which you want to take the picture, and as you leave the left click of your mouse, your MS Excel will open. This is your screenshot. Now again, if you want to make any changes in the screenshot, you can do it from this format. If you want to change the color and whatever, rest of the things are same as we did in this picture and clip art. Okay, so that's it for this video. Watch it. If you like it, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you will get all the latest video. Thank you.